kunjani baba? Siskuli. Umuhle tracksuit. Yawena. Yonke into yakhe yazilengela ko right. Aphila abantu jabo. Last week feedback last week is very summer wheelchair Pretoria. Yeah, it was nice. It was nice. People came out, sadla nokudla.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it was nice. So we were having fun. Today we are doing it again.
Yeah.
Hey, man, namhlanje Nkosi banathi.
Uyaphi?
Se Komor Alexander ngitshela. Kula ngithe ngithuke yona. Okay, Alexander. Kuluka ngene Alexander uphuma ngana weave.
Baby, I've been to Alex, the best parties in Alex.
Yeah, parties. That's the thing. Ngohamba nabantu lapho. Yo kulinyizela.
The best quarter is in Alex.
Yo.
What happens?
Lela lokishi ngiyalisaba. Lapha la shithi, lapha fanele kahle ngibhale affidavit ukuthi sorry ngisaye Alexander. Ngibhale affidavit ephuma ethembisa ethi ngicela nimamukele makufika Alexander babhale affidavit abuthi yasimtholile usezandleni ezi right. Yazi ngicawuthi lama wheelchair ngena ngasawaphetha ngeAlexander.
Abadlali.
Khona yo. La kule ground Alexander. Iground yakhona abantu kususa imkhukhu weekend badlala ibhola. Monday babuyisela imkhukhu kube ngathi akonzeka next Friday imkhukhu yagoqwa ngathi sponge umuntu ahlala side amele I right time yakubuya abama man phiri bayasenzela lapha yazi ikhulu ngithukile namhlanje ngathi ngicela ama wheelchair ahambe ngeSPV yabo le moto yemali bafaka ama wheelchair ahambe agadwe ngizozingenela nami
when you're forgetting that they love you anywhere you go, they love
Alexander,
you.
hayi kulinyathanda mara hayi Alexander ngikho safe. Yazi project lapha ne like yazi bathi gama mtshali.
Koma mtshali.
Gama mtshali. Abusisi bakhona bahlala bafaka amtshali imini yonke.
Ngomakotho amaXhosa.
Hayi bafaka ikhalamine abomamtshali yazi into engithuka khona ukuya Gamora namhlanje. Wena Alexander ngiyadlala ngicela ingade duka. Kula kusafeel safe ngalento ama wheelchair ngathi ngizogcina ku wheelchair nami.
Man, you'll be fine.
No man say Alexander namhlanje. Alexander ayikho. Another thing kahlawuli yazi. Yo Alexander abosisi bakhona lapha ngakava lalela kuli kunento ongayazi Alexander ukuthi abantu abahlala ku 4-room house usually emakasi abantu abayi 4-5 maximum 8 Alexander i4-room house ihlala abantu aba93 ngiyakutshela ngithi bayi 93 akulela kunabonda nihlolo seyikhethini umakhelwane wakho bongavula ikhethini uyambona yonke into ayenza umntana sekabe kahlala khona yayazi Alexander omunye ubaba bekala nomfazi wakhe waphula wonke ama plate estratini abakaphako kudla kuvuthiwe manje ama plate yo se Alexander kuNkulunkulu benathi eGomora Sodom and Gomorrah angohe uba noma ziyothafu ufuna umuntu othafu ongangikhapha mana
Who's tough?
Ushaka sula ushaka kakalunga lapha ufaka ama specs futhi bakala bamthethise kabuhlungu
Who's tough?
umuntu othapha George uba noma ziyo promo no message yazi the way Alexander kakhona abaholi mina khona nokubheka nathi uneni crash ezincane bheke ezamzika abantu computer ngeyicrash nyo umuntu Alexander namhlanje idorobha labo bathi pen ya lithengisa yonke into ekhona eCountry Nkuli bathengisa impahla nokudla ku same shop but ngabuthenga itradition ngaba bakuphakela umkhodu ngapha inyama eqaqo seNkulunkulu siyeGomora namhlanje ukuthi ithola kanjani le ndawo yalabantwana asazi nathi mara siyeGomora namhlanje
akuba mnandi
hey bro George ngicela ngifonele every 5 minutes
Just to double check.
Yebo sasegrand mara bangiroundile hey mara Sikomo and go ahead man akuna case like IFM since gister I got about Oprah Pakstawa kabuyele sihlale ubana basiphethe le Jose manje
So we are hanging. But it is still part.
Yazi kula asina owner
but umile uHemen
ngapha uHemen ngapha Oprah Pakstawa ngeke bamsabe ngalevo akakhulume Oprah Pakstawa thaba sorry sizozama ukuthi so lalela jo eGauteng asina owner like IFM ke into zakhona senza ngithi siya ngama Afropolitans everything works with electricity Mongena toilet, the lights go on because we are there.
We're green.
Into kumnyama yona toilet manje. Impompi zethu mobeka izandla ziyazivulekela. Ayivuleki. Bekukhulu yasula naye ngoba ngimkhawulile. Ngizoyenza njani? Asinamanzi, asinagesi. Sicela uBrapasta awubuyele esihlaleni sakhe siyacela bafethu.
I got you.
Mara ngigomora namhlanje. Yo. Ngigomora namhlanje. Angikho right. Nento ezenzakala kule country. Ngicela ukubuza kini before mina ngibeke my opinion. Umam bekabambe isitulo saka Babu Holomi saka bab Ramaphosa or bekabambe something. Kunesithombe saka Mama Nomvula. Bekabambe isitulo. No. Bala sikhuluma ngale zinto country yethu. Like bekabambe isitulo or ubabugwele bekaghala ukuthi abambe something.
Oqalile like what Tombe are you talking about?
You guys don't know.
I don't know the photo.
How long will you bring us the juice?
You guys don't know the. Esale semkhuluma ngaso. Na bro chacha sazi.
No. She's trendy.
Untrendy.
She's trendy.
Lalela jo, lesithombe la beba report after vele siluzeka buhlungu. Sokhongela.
Yeah.
Are you real?
Ngivoto lensi, ayikho wrong. Ngabe bengekho ngabe ba West. Ngabe ba West manje. Nami ngizamile ngathi hey. And angivotanga ngoba for mina for ugogo wami ukuthi gogo wami yazi wahlushwa kakhulu amabhunu ngathi awuthi ngithi. Hey. Mara sikhuluma ngalo mabakhuluma ukuthi bahambe blind kanjani and they will rectify their mistakes. Umama Nomvula.
Yeah.
Bekame emva kababa.
Okay.
Vice president.
Oh, okay.
Bese kuno uyazi utagwele ifana lezi yazi ugwele hype man. Yeah, let's do this, bro. You know we got you know how we do. Ugwele hype man. You know how we do. Come on, Cyril. Come on, Cyril, let's do this, man. Let's do this. I got your back, dog. Marakash voice yabamrep. Usho ngale voice yakhe. The live kwakho, seva kwakho. Si apha wathuki, si apha si. Bekamela. Yazi ubabugwele ngathi la ku DJ. Uyazi bangu no DJ, bese kunomuntu omeceni kwa DJ for no reason like yeba zinabaselamela. Ubabugwele le type. Ubasirel bekasitshela ukuthi ku rough. Yena ngumntwana phela uMusa sibonisa something and siso revele abantu bethu bakhulumile bashaye ngesilent treatment ne mara umama Nomvula bekamela angazi ubeka bambezele situlweni mara kunoba bugwede la and wabugwede ume ngale position ukuthi ndithinte ngibonile la sinyana uMandoza
Yeah.
Hot man ikhulile igrand tough ibuyile emzimbeni hola gazi lami hola shaya track nyane bani
Sure.
sibe grand abe right
Hola baby.
no yebutha impilo yakhe akusase yethu.
Yeah.
That's nice. Sometimes kumnandi ukuphila impilo yakho unga explain kubani ukuthi wena uphila kanjani because that's the thing ukuthi abantu basana serious anjena asikho serious in life.
Public figure.
I love your whole attitude though, because a lot of people they just want to pull down. So I love your attitude.
Hayi mina nafuka mama picture. Yeah, unandingoma no.
No.
Shout out to Zexpandini and Nandingoma and abayafanelana. She does Zexpandini my local aqwala ngoma. Give it to me. Can I get a witness?
We are all witnesses.
Ngeke ucule le ngoma le uhlala kini endlini. Give it to me. Ebusuku. Can I get a witness? Uzwa ngoma lo makathi. Mshaye. Kadele. Lima. Ngicela ukubuza okay, nosibuyele sithambe ke. Sasa khuluma ngento esiyibonile manje. Umama bekathinta ini.
I think she was looking for the back of the chair. I think she was looking for the back of the chair.
Yeah, and then
it accidentally I think went to the crotch area.
Like the chair had a handle at the back.
Ajabulele sesikhathi wabugweda. Kwakudala ngithi ngithithi. Kwakudala.
Touch my gwele.
Touch my blood and touch your. Mara noma Nomvula una lento ebusweni uthi. Una lafika uthi. Nyokuthinta mara udobinix.
That's it.
Nyokuthinta mara udobinix. Dololo.
Dololo.
Bakwere bayakanda bana ama results. Ama results athi ANC yehlenga 8%. Andinandaba. County thinte nomvulo.
Make it rain.
Bakwere uthi bayahlangana bawukhongolosa. Bayadiscuss ama message wethu. Wonke ukuthi sithini. Bazosiqhatha. Hey, complainile shema hayi kancane. Yo. Yazini kuraf. County tint. Yala something. Kumuzela ngibheka iphone ngithi umama ngiyambona ngathi bekafuna isitulo. Mara wahlangabezana netornado. Wathi. Kulukulu sifanele sikhohlwe na. Nami ngikhombeza ngicela ni.
Never.
Ufuna senze lesithombe ne. Ubra George kuzoba huyo. Mina kuzoba Bob Cyril. Ubra George kuzoba hype man la emva kwami.
Also, Prajuki kena kwena.
Yeah. Wena uzenza ngathi uyamthinta mara umthinti. And Ubra George abona mdala kavelawe kamampera la studio. Ishow iphele ngo 8:30.
Yeah, no. I'm not sure about that.
So Utadu Kwajena is going closer or moving further
Hayi
back?
uyasondela. Uyasondela. Ufuna sihlangene apha Khongolosi. Mabathi benza coalition, na coalition bayenza. Hlangane sibe song.
Coalition.
Hey, ikasa si coalition.
Okay.
Yalalela. Kunemehluko between mina nani. We have our own way of yabo.
We all come from different castes, that's why.
No, no, but I could when I know the last you don't even know your neighbors. Exactly my point. They're thinking who's your neighbor.
No, but they're not my friends. What should I know them? And they're all complaining.
Wait for wait. Uniprenude umntwana yazi prenude umakhelwane wami bekane prenude washaya umntana akhe ngeprenude ngebhani thina sishayiwe kule thina
sishayiwe
mama bekusha for mama bekusha for yonke into mama why kunegwebe engaka emanzini why kunegwebe la mama lalela khulu mama meshiket bed yeah usasibhedlela uzoba right mara mama bekushaya for yonke into why and bekasenze ama lip ice in eJozi awatshontsha ama lip ice so thengisa 5 rand lalela thina sikhule kamnandi kunenye ibrahim etsong igama labo urawosh yeah like bekamnyama kamampela like urawosh beka mangihlangana naye ngithi mhlawumbe ushila yabo no umngani wami no
doesn't make it right.
No, kuneradio khuluma ngabangani bami ngifuna ngakhona baba sebeni abami labangani yo Urawoshi bekamnyama Urawoshi bengathi Urawoshi mina uhlala naye bengithanda ukuthengisa amalahla yabo la Urawoshi bekamnyama nya ubaba kaRawoshi bekasebenza stay free yabo lento lezabo yeah lento zaba asitshontsha naye mara I problem i1 so mama ngithina khumutsong umama makathola ama lip ice besathengisa ngikhapha Urawosh so baba khe nawe uzena store something uthi ngimkhapha thina sazi lezi zinto lezisebenza abantu abanjani besithengisela wonke umuntu abo mama bayasithatha bara baba bayakwata sibaba sathengisa yabona sani uyangazi ukuthi ngubani le besithengisa serious besithengisa like ama panty liners besingazi ukuthi sisebenza no we innocent shaya lapho sithola khona ukuthi sithengisani Urawosh wakhala ngesitsongo tata lemdlu okhaya yini usebenzile leseliya okay baba kafuna ukushaka usothengisa sesisaba ukuhamba sizo baba bafuna ukushaya sithengisa Urawosh wakhala ngesitsongo bengicala kumuza Urawosh and washona Urawosh
shame Urawosh
babathi kuzobona isidumbu bekangabonakala lapho beka west ifresh imdisi Khumbuzo
Bambane
kulingcela kusayina imabala noise imabala noise isayina wonke umuntu imabala noise isayina wonke umuntu but bastinga 5
bye thola
hey mina ngazi le 5 ushola mntana wasepulukwana bana le 5 million ngathi ngathi ngifuna amanamba kaFlava Remosco abayibambe phone nje manje abasayibambe bayibamba abafuna ama services ethu ngafethu ngicela ningibhelele uzoluda uprocutor bana wonke umuntu lapha wonke umuntu abantu abaklinayo like imabala nohlekana abantu abaklinayo manje
bafanele
imabala noise Hoover ithatha yonke into bra George nawe ngakuthatha imabala noise uyodlala ijazz kahle khona yo lapha kahle khona sale phephe nhlala sephephe every week wena kunomuntu olona and awazi wena.
No, but the thing is, you're absolutely right. Because it's the same story, and then they find new facts, and they bring back the same story. Asindawo.
But hey, ukahle khobekalana watshontsha ukahle mina. Abona ukuthi abasifundanga kahle bese sincane. Ngobona story ephepeni mufuna sifunde usenza sibe yellow ke manje. Sithombe sakahle ka futhi abantu abamazi kahle kwazi. Abana ndaba nayo futhi lo. Abantu abakuthatha serious ithi kube yimi yo kuba ngathi yimi public protector yazi ubona ama interview khona ama public protector yazibenzana bakuhlasa phansi eParliament live TV bakubuza ama question ongacabanga ukuthi bayawazi ngawo babuza omnye baba eshoke baba wena njengoba wakwazi umuntu 97 election mina no bengamgwazi bengimthusa like public protector you must be clean baba bona 77 he wants to be our public protector so bafana nyaza abantu abadala bayahlonisha laba bona 77 jo laba ufana ne charger iPhone evithikile engasathumeli no baba lo una 77 athi ufuna by public protector it law athi ekseni ngiyavuka mina ngihambe 5 kilometers so uyabonakala baba ukuthi kunento wrong uyaphi una 77
shame man
nini uzobaphume khumbule ekhaya la baba lona bathi
shame man
and yamolo baba kana moto lo no
kana moto mbona njani
kule cela usibhekela kule room sonke uzombona umuntu ona moto khona i1 George never
uthola idust
noma aphuma la wakugibela taxi nomuntu ogigizayo okay afuna ukwehla traffic ngakho ukugibela taxi nomuntu ogigizayo udriver show baba da Let's shot let it dulu shesh Kaya ramdo na kayo chu. Driver, wehla baba. Angathi This is short. And baba kuchuka bakigizi. Speak him then back.
What could be so funny about the M1 North?
Nothing wrong. Ngicabanga ukuthi lo bolela umuntu ongigizayo. Ayo lo bola ngaphansi. Asina makhathi wesasa. Ukahleko uthi ukhuluma ama stereotypes ngo9. Ekasilami nomnyugogo akashalela. Akashoni 1.
Oh, but it's
2 akakaze ngizobathi bamenzele ibirthday unangakhe unabantwana abazukula yonke into akahambi makangaphathanga indlebe this week next week is either akakuboni or akakuzwa or la gogo uyophethe angazi beyemncwabeni last week abanye abafundisa amakhanda abantu abasebenzi kahle lokushoni yela bazofana bazobona isidumbu kokugcina la une confidence ngathi idumbu udila ngazo ozani nizombona mbheke msabi
hate that
why and khala lo ante 1 emncwabeni hlano ante 1 yabalo landi mthinte personal ukufaka Johannes seka phela ay akafika eboxini sasele uzolomba ngwarase alambulisa isikebeki la lapulisa Alexander yakutshela nasi ngarase mbheke emehlweni ushonile mbheke emehlweni
Zezumzi wakhe.
hayi kula hey obishari kaBrahms wakhe ngaba ama page obishari yakhe ngaba obishari kaBrahms wakhe ngaba ama page so page 1 I was born ngizaliwe page 2 listen anyway this month yeah like from here delivering wheelchairs
How do you just do that?
like what yeah, Alexander doing the wheelchair drop off with John Walker, and then yeah, this month birthday yes, yeah. So I'm doing my birthday extravaganza show.
Okay.
The 6th annual one in Chembisa.
Nice.
I think it's about 150 if I'm lying.
Okay, I'm there.
And it's your brother's birthday as well.
Yeah. Thomas Mashubadi.
Come in, brother.
Hey, Koli, lo muntu ufuna amaphoyisa wenzani?
Nah.
Can't stop telling Veza lo muntu Thomas Mashubadi. So. Kuli ambiza.
Sorry, Buti.
Kuli ekasi awushoot na noma ubani.
Okay.
Kuli.
Sorry.
Ungashoot na bujupa right but uyabuya loya yey. Next thing ukhumule sicela ngojupa. Ayipantini fana sembulisa isipantini sithi wala ngoloza. Ayiphela zo 7.